This is the Type 1 thrust lever lock from Keller Minimal Windows. The thrust lever lock is applied to the side of the 21mm profile. When it's turned, steel chute bolts fit from within inside the profile into the ceiling and the floor. The same lock can be used on our triple glaze sliding doors, as well as our pivot doors. All the mechanism is handmade and hidden within the profile for the highest quality lock. Come and experience them yourself at Sky House.